What's up, guys? If your toilet is leaking water through this hole, or a lot of water coming out through here, this needs to be replaced with this. So when you replace this, you need these tools, few tools, and I always replace with this. It's very easy. You must turn off the water coming in and unscrew this, and then we go from there. Make sure to drain all the water out and to clean up, and then you put the new one in. Once you replace everything, make sure things are working properly, so you flush. And go underneath. Make sure there's no water leaking by just touching the pipe. Touching the pipe and dry. That's it.